babies. Hi, how are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy at home. Babies, there are so many things around us that comes in pair. That comes in pair. So now ma'am is going to show you few examples. Come on. Babies, can you see what is this? This is a torch. This is a torch. And torch always needs battery. What it needs? It needs battery. Okay? Torch needs battery. Alright? So torch always comes with a battery. Okay? So now let's see what next is coming. Oh wow, this is a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, and you need a toothpaste for that. A toothbrush needs a toothpaste. Okay, now let's see what is coming next. Okay, now this is a vroom vroom car. This is a car. And car needs what? Car needs petrol. Very good. Car needs petrol to run. Yes? Okay. So it always needs a petrol. Now let's see what is coming next. Oh, dog. This is a dog. Okay, and dog is a pet animal. And dog, where dog lives? Dog lives in a kennel. You all know that wherever you see a dog, you always see a kennel with it. Yes. So now let's see what is coming next. Now we have a wow, what is this? This is the fish. And whenever you see a fish, you always find a water around a fish. Yes, because fish needs water to live. So fish and water. Okay, now let's see what I have. Now this is a drum. What is this? This is a drum. And what drum needs? A drumstick. Very good, babies. Now this is a t-shirt. This is a t-shirt. And what we need for a t-shirt? Yes, a pair of a trouser pants. Yes, very good, babies. Are you now understanding? Things are coming in pair. Now see, this is a baby. And what baby needs? Yes, baby need a milk bottle for it. Baby need a milk bottle. Yes, very good. Now I have a bed. What is this? A bed. And what will come with a bed? Where you keep your pillow? Yes, you keep your pillow on your bed. So, bed and pillow. Now, what is this? This is a monitor. This is a monitor, computer's monitor, and it needs a keyboard to work. Babies, are you understanding? Yes. Now, this is a mop bucket. Mama used to do the cleaning with a mop bucket, and what she needs a mop for it. Okay, now I have a brush. And what brush needs? Paint. Yes, paint and brush. Okay, this goes together, paint and brush. Very good. Now what I have a paper. And for paper, what we need? Yes, we need a pencil to write on it. So paper and pencils go together. Okay, now I have a cute little tiger. And what comes with tiger? Can anyone tell me? Yes, tiger lives with us. No, tiger lives in a jungle. Yes. So now I have a cute rabbit. What I have? A rabbit. And what we find around a rabbit? A carrot. Yes, a red carrot. And now this is a camera. What camera gives us? Camera gives us a photograph. Yes, a camera and a photograph go together. All right, now let's see what I have. I have an umbrella. And why we need an umbrella? When it's raining. Yes, umbrella and rain goes together. Very good. So babies, now you have seen there are so many things that goes together. Okay, so now Farah ma'am will give you few more examples of the things that goes together. Okay, so see what I have. This is a cup. This is a cup. Very good. And what a cup needs? A cup needs a saucer. A saucer to keep a cup on it. Yes, so cup and saucer. Okay, you have to say with me, cup and saucer. Now I have a table. This is a table. Okay, and table goes with a what it will go with? Yes, it will go with a chair. Say table, chair. Table, chair. Very good. Table and chair. Now I have a ball. I have a red ball. And ball goes with what? Yes, of course, everybody knows. Yes, ball goes with a bat. With a bat. So say with Farah ma'am, ball, bat. Ball, bat. Very good. And what is this? This is a paint. This is a paint. And paint goes with a brush. Very good. You need a brush to paint. Say paint and brush. Paint and brush goes together. Very good. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. An umbrella goes with what? Of course, a rain. Umbrella goes with rain. So say with Farah ma'am, umbrella and rain. Umbrella and rain. Very good. Now this is a hen. Yes, this is a hen. And hen lays an egg. So say with me, hen and egg. Hen and egg. Now I have a lock. I have a lock. To open a lock, what I need? Of course, a key. Very good, a key. So say with me, lock and key. Lock and key. Now this is a pencil. This is a pencil. And pencil goes with what? What we need? Yes, of course, we need a notebook to write with pencil. So say with me, pencil and notebook. Pencil and notebook. Very good. So now babies, we have to do this page number 73 of your book. Okay, things that go together. Now see, look at the picture and identify the things that go together. So we have to look at the pictures and we have to see the things that goes together. So let's see. This is a bat and a ball, a fork and a spoon, a cup and a saucer, a chair and a table. Very good. Now let me just read that. Match the pairs that goes together. Now we have to match the picture with the another picture that go with it. Okay, now see the toothbrush will go with a toothpaste. Now the second picture is of a bread. Of course, bread will go with a butter. And the third picture is of an eye. Eye needs a glass. Okay, now let's see. Now let me take another color, and now the shoe will go with a sock. Okay, and pencil needs a notebook and needle need a thread. Okay, so babies, I hope you all have enjoyed this class. All right, do this page and share the work with your class teachers. Thank you.